Okay, by the way, I'm watching also Hastings live. You can, if you do Hastings chess in Google, go to the Hastings website. There's a live games link. It's fascinating. Let's play Sicilian just for some variety from the French. So, does anyone play mainline anymore with Nf3, or they play all just weird stuff? I used to play Sveshnikov once upon a time. No, it's all the C3 stuff came in, which yeah. So almost like botvaynik, but botvaynik. Botvaynik. So yeah. I don't know. I'll play C4 here for a laugh. Okay. I'm tempted to play G5 actually. I'm so no, okay. Let's play sensibly. What about Queen C7? Knight A3 could be a problem. Winning that pawn. Alright, is he going to move the bishop off the diagonal? Or just AB? Maybe AB and I'll just play bishop E7. Alright, so D6. Give this one fade away. Okay. Now, can I just castle? Knight B5, maybe Queen B8. Knight C4. Not sure. So I want to play. What's the plan here? D6, Bishop G4. Bishop's slightly awkward for that pin. Okay. Can't I just kick the knight back with A6? Knight A3 and D6. Not quite. Alright, play D6. I suppose you could play D4 to try and exploit this D6 pawn. Rook G8 now. Aha, knight's out of squares, but from A5. So I'm nearly losing this knight. B4, this knight C4, bishop B4 though, and losing material. It seems B6 takes, rook A5, queen B6. Yeah, maybe that's okay. That position. Queen A1. I don't know, I thought I had rook B8 or something in that position. Mind you, he's got that pin, yes. That's a good point. Good point. Okay. Humble retreat. Can I use the E file? Or can I indeed play A6? And you could play knight C6. Could be embarrassing with C7. Oh dear. That's a bit of a killer. And queen is like trapped. Oh dear. Okay, rook E8. Stop C7. This is not going too well at the moment. C7, queen B7, but you could just take on D6. too many choices. Play bishop g4 here. Bishop e6 or 94. 94 you just take, queen e8 back row mating, so not too many choices. I guess I could resign this position, it's resignable. But maybe he's that rating for a reason, he's making some blunders maybe. Plays c7, rook c8. Plays knight a7 though. Yeah. Oh, I play a5 here. Please protect my a7 pawn. Can I get something going here? He's going to play b5 to join his pawns up. Oh dear. Or even worse. I don't know. Yeah, well, I've got the a5 pawn though. Okay. It's not all bad. a5's blocked. d7's under control. Get king to e7. And he's let me off the hook to a large extent. Okay, get knight to c7 now. d6. d6 to c4. Knight d6. Oh, okay, knight c7. Knight c4. Just try and squash. No, c4 I just take. Okay, knight d5 on c3, on e3 as well. It's a bit short on time. He's blocked the position. He could have just ripped open the lines and he blocked the position. Okay. Knight f4 here. Knight f4 is rook d6. Let's check knight c3. Okay. Move back over here, let's see what he does. It's so short on time as well. Okay. Knight b4 here. Or knight c3. I think knight b4 is tempting. The knight's kind of fixed there. I don't know. Maybe that was the wrong decision. Okay, bishop f5 now, maybe. Or rook a8 to play a4. If I chase the rook, I'll play this. Mind you, c5, yeah, c5. Oh, these pawns are very dangerous. Oh dear. So will he finish me off in the time available? Me a4 though. Start a counter attack. I've got pass pawns of my own. So c7 is delayed. Just want to get my pawns going. Or do I want to play anything else? Rook c8, maybe? Rook c1. Try rook c8. 7 seconds. Oh. Semi queen. Oh well. Yeah, it's getting completely done over. Completely. In fact, I think C4 is bad because of B3 later, for example, or just knight A3 maybe just to get the dark square bishop. So that was awful, that idea. But it's 5-minute chess, yeah, so nice tactic there. And this is almost terminal, but this looked as though he let me off the hook, blocking the position. And I mean, for 5-minute chess, I mean not. And this just looks double-edged now. Yeah. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.